Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. As we open up these doors, it's going to reveal to you that we have 4 new wheels back here. Pretty excited for these to get thrown onto the Lancer. As you can see, it's only made possible because I'm able to fold down those rear seats, something that the Evo 10s can't do, so go ahead and be envious of that. All joking aside, it does provide a lot more storage space for fun activities like installing new wheels. So as you can see, as I'm opening up all this stuff, yeah, I'm fitting all 4 wheels back here with a lot more space, even with the battery rear location back here. So it should be a pretty fun video. And just because I know it's probably going to be asked, here are the wheel sizes themselves, and I'll get into the tire situation once those get installed. But right there they go, 18 by 8.5, 35 by 114.3 with the 30 offset. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue on with this video. Sorry about the audio, my new camera system all screwed up on me, so this is kind of what we're getting. One thing my car personally has that an Evo doesn't, and that's space in the back. Like, I think it's an understatement to say that you can see all the way to your trunk. That's a pretty cool thing to do. Alright, we have just arrived here at Discount Tire. Not sponsored by them at all, but yeah, arrived here, so catch you guys in a few hours once they're all done and wrapped up with this tire install. Alright, roughly an hour later, here are the old tires and wheels. Gonna be slapping on the Honda, and I'll tell you what, these wheels definitely make this car pop. It's a whole different car with these white wheels on, so can't wait to show you guys. Alright, just made it back home. You guys ready to see the new wheels? Oh yeah. What do you guys freaking think of those? So, a couple things I want to talk to you guys about real quick. So first things first is I went with a larger tire wall size. So I went from a 40 to a 45. So as you can see, the fitment's a lot tighter. I was scraping on my way back home on the rears, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and adjust my coilovers. So good thing we have coils and we are able to adjust that, so isn't gonna necessarily be a big problem. I should just raise the back up and I should be able to clear everything and be nice and fine. And secondly, what do you guys think? Did they pop a little too much? I don't think so. They look pretty good. They didn't install the center caps. I have like a black and a blue one. They weren't sure which ones I wanted to go with, so I'll just go ahead and put the black basic ones on, nice and easy. But that's the only 2 things I've noticed so far. But yeah, looks pretty sick. I'll go ahead and throw in some cinematic stuff for you guys so you get a better look at these overall on the car. But super freaking stoked. Like I said, it definitely changed up the car. I could just be biased, but I think the blue with the white works pretty well. I don't know, what do you guys think? And not only was it a speedy process to get the wheels on, but they were able to fit all 4 tires and wheels back in the car. The only downside is they didn't refill the tires like I asked them to. Not the biggest deal, but yeah, I'll have to go at a later time, get some air in these bad boys to get them thrown on the inside potential. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, you can definitely fit 4 wheels in the back of your Lancer or the Rally Art, but you're gonna have to put the seats down. And here are those hub caps, or the center caps. Like I said, I had the blue initially. They were going to go on the inside with the blue and white finishes. That was the color scheme I was going with, but These black should work well for what we're trying to do here. Let's just go ahead and pop these in real quick. Just like so. Real quick, if you guys are curious, these are the Hancooks Venus V12, and they are 225, 45, R18. That's the tire specs for these. Alright, let's get that good footage you guys want to see. Sign to stop, I don't know what it is, but drone is still alive and well. Time to go edit some videos. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the new tires, new wheel setup on the Lancer. If you do, if you don't, then I don't know what to tell you guys. It's my car. I think it absolutely pops this way. And like all things, they're not permanent, so I can always swap them out later on. But yeah, lay a comment down below. Yay or nay? Do you guys like these wheels? Do you like the black ones better? Let me know down in the comment section below. Take that, Evos. Can you do that? So I have two wheels that are pumped up, inflated, and two wheels that are not. Look at this gap. Can't even fit my finger in there.